Hi, this lesson is lesson 3 of global issues, and this covers local environmental issues in your town and area and some of the things you can do to help. So if you remember, in lessons 1 and 2 we looked at the conditional, and then we looked at weather phrases in different tenses and the climate. So for a starter, just to see how you're getting on so far, I've put the two together. Here are some sentences for you to copy and translate. They all use phrases and vocabulary from the first 2 lessons on this topic, so if you need to get your notes out to help you, that's fine. There's a hint at the top. The sentences will all be si, which means if, plus the imperfect tense, and then the conditional. So pause the video and have a go, and then when you're ready, continue for the answers. So number 1, if it was cold I would go to the swimming pool. S'il faisait froid, j'irais à la piscine. Number 2, if it was sunny, my parents and I would play on the beach. S'il y avait du soleil, mes parents et moi jouerions à la plage. Number 3, if it was raining we would visit a museum. S'il pleuvait, nous visiterions un musée. Number 4, if it was windy my parents would go sailing. S'il y avait du vent, mes parents feraient de la voile. And number 5, if it was snowing I would go skiing. S'il neigeait, je ferais du ski. Remember, when we talk about sailing and skiing, in English we'd say go sailing, go skiing, but in French you need to use the verb faire. So, now on to today's lesson for proper. Copy out the vocabulary and match the French to the correct English. Pause the video, have a go, and then carry on for the answers. So, la circulation, traffic, la poubelle, dustbin, économiser, to save, l'eau is water, les déchets is rubbish, and le verre is glass. Okay, now listen to these people talking about environmental issues and complete the sentence in English. So, A. Il y a beaucoup de circulation en ville. Il y a beaucoup de circulation en ville. B. On doit recycler le verre. On doit recycler le verre. C. Il faut plus de poubelles au centre-ville. Il faut plus de poubelles au centre-ville. And D. Les usines causent beaucoup de pollution dans ma région. Les usines causent beaucoup de pollution dans ma région. Et on doit essayer de prendre le bus plus souvent. On doit essayer de prendre le bus plus souvent. F. On peut économiser l'électricité chaque jour. On peut économiser l'électricité chaque jour. And G. On devrait prendre une douche plutôt qu'un bain pour économiser de l'eau. On devrait prendre une douche plutôt qu'un bain pour économiser de l'eau. So let's see if you're right. Here we go. A. There's lots of traffic in town, circulation. B. You should recycle le verre, glass. C. There must be more dustbins, les poubelles, in town. D. There's a lot of pollution in the area, causé par les usines, caused by the factories, les usines. You must try to use the bus more often, le bus. We can save électricité every day. And you should try to take a shower more often, une douche. Okay. Now, a nice reading for you. So read the text out loud, trying to sound as French as possible. I know it's not easy, but give it a go. And after that, read what Nicole says about her town. Find the French for the following English terms. So if you'd like to, you can listen and copy me. Dans ma ville, il y a beaucoup de circulation, surtout entre 5 et 6 heures du soir. Les transports en commun sont bons, mais à mon avis, il n'y a pas assez de poubelles. On devrait en avoir plus. Il y a aussi des centres de recyclage où je recycle presque tout, comme le verre et le papier. D'après moi, on doit économiser plus d'eau et plus d'électricité. So, pause the video, do the exercise, and then carry on for the answers. Okay, check your answers. So now let's see what you can do with the vocabulary. So copy out the sentences and translate them into English. Again, pause the video, have a go, and then wait for the answers. So, number 1, on peut aller, you can go to the recycling centre. Number 2, you can recycle newspapers. Vous pouvez recycler. Vous pouvez is you formal or plural. Number 3, you should have a shower. On devrait prendre une douche. You should take a shower. And number 4, we should go everywhere by bus. Nous devrions aller. We should go. Now try matching the issues with the possible solutions. Write them out in French and in English. Pause the video, have a go, and wait for the answers. So, number 1, il y a trop de circulation. Il faut utiliser les transports en commun. There is too much traffic. You must use public transport. Number 2, on met beaucoup de verre dans les poubelles. Il faut recycler le verre. You put lots of glass in the dustbins. You must recycle glass. Number 3, les routes de notre ville sont très sales. Il faut mettre les déchets dans les poubelles. The streets of our town are very dirty. You must put the rubbish in the bins. And number 4, on utilise trop d'eau. Il faut prendre plus de douches. You use too much water. You must take more showers. So, now here's a chance for you to be creative. So I want you to write a contribution to an internet forum about your local environment. Everybody should include what are the most important environmental issues in your town or area. Say what there is in your town to help the environment. For example, are there any recycling centres? Offer a couple of solutions to environmental issues. And what 3 things do you do to help the environment? And then those people aiming for 7+, the extension task, what did you do last weekend to help the environment? And then comes the fun bit. I want you to go around town and take some photos which will illustrate your writing and add these to your work, and then email your work to your teacher. So, hope you enjoy doing that, and I'll catch up with you on the next lesson. Merci, au revoir.